Okay, I'm going to show you how to build a very simple workflow. So I'm under the Settings tab here, and I click into Workflows. I've got existing workflows already, so there's a pension transfer, which has got a bunch of tasks associated with it on dates. Some have got specific dates set, some don't. I'm going to go back to creating a whole new one. So let's add a new workflow, and let's call this meeting preparation. Meeting preparation. Okay. So I now have a new workflow. So firstly, let's add a task. So let's call this send dates to client for agreement. Typing's not great. Okay, description, get dates are available. Now, it may be that the client actually can go and access your diary through the portal, but let's say I'm going to send in some dates. Does this need a due date? Yes, I want this done within 1 day of this, so that needs to happen within 1 day, and I'm going to assign this to myself. Okay, so save that one, so created a task. Okay, so now, having got the agreed date in there, I'm going to book meeting room, check with central diary, and book room. Now, all of this could be automated, but I'm doing this manually to show you manual stuff. Does this need to have a due date? So let's say no, and I'm going to assign this to Adam Flowers to actually do that for me. Once we've got the meeting room, okay, let's get tea and biscuits organized. Sure are what client likes, and there's no due date on that. And the reason there's no due date is this is basically going to be changed based on the client's agreed date. So you'll add a date to this. You can update this this task once it's put into task list. So I'm going to assign that to Adam again. And then so get the meeting room, book and get the tea and biscuits organised. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to get the client report from system and read and take notes. Need to ensure we have all issues dealt with. Typing's terrible. Okay, so again, no due date on that, and that's going to be assigned to myself, Nick Harper. Okay, and then following the meeting, we're going to have a send meeting report to clients, and fill in the report template. And no due date to that, and I'm going to do that again. And then we can have a final one, which was to send a send satisfaction form to client. Customer survey. Okay, no due date, and that's Matthew Beck that sends those out. Now, all of this could actually be done through the automation engine.